Hello, are you ready for Halloween? Learning to use figurative language. Pun and amusing use of a word or phrase. Simile uses the words like auras to compare. Metaphor, a comparison which is not literally true. Hyperbole, extreme exaggeration to make a point. Pun. He was grinning like a pumpkin. Simile. Keep talking while used. Metaphor. His eyes were flying saucers. Hyperbole. That's the world's best costume. Personification. Giving human qualities to something that isn't human. Alliteration. When two or more words that start with the same sound are used repeatedly. Onomatopoeia. Word that names a sound, but also sounds like that sound. Oxymoron. A phrase made of two or more words that actually have opposite meanings. Oxymoron. The living dead. Onomatopoeia. The owl screeched and which cackled. Personification. The wind let out a ghostly howl. Alliteration. A calm and curious cat. Thank you. Now try writing some of your own. Hello, are you ready for Halloween?